Hello, this video is made to show a new product by ProSightings. Sunglasses with neon frame. Adding them, they will attach to a bent bone jaw, and as you can see, they lightly glow around. The effect is more visible by night, so in the dark. The glasses are copy, so you can put the copy you want in the unit. You can change them because they are modified. You can tint lenses, for instance. While it doesn't make sense changing the color of the frame because it's scripted and changed by itself. I like my Indian accent, and well, that's all. I'm wearing a mask because it's cool, not because I am in danger. Bye bye bye.